You can do like this with your phone. What's up guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you about Good Lock. Okay, you can find it in Galaxy Store. I already download and then open. Okay, you must download Home app. Turn on. Okay, DIY home screen, turn on. Okay, you can customize on your phone. Okay, tap on screen, you can see DIY home. Thanks for watching. Let me know your comment down below. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you next time. Peace.